Let us solve for x and y, given x plus y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 84. The given equation is x plus y is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 84. Let us label this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 8. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 8 minus s. Let us label this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 84. Now let us substitute for y, which is 8 minus x. S into 8 minus x is equal to 84. Let us open the bracket with this x. S multiplied by 8. That is 8x minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 84. Let us equate everything to 0 by bringing this 84 into the left hand side here. 8x minus s square minus 84 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus s square plus 8s minus 84 is equal to 0. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Negative s squared divided by negative 1. This will give s squared. Positive 8x divided by negative 1. This is negative 8x. Then negative 84 divided by negative 1. Here is positive 84 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. S is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to 84, s is equal to minus bracket minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 multiplied by 1, which is a, multiplied by 84, which is c, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, which is a. X is equal to minus times minus 8. That is plus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 squared. That is 64 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 84. 336 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 336. That is minus 272 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus 272 is equal to 17 multiplied by 16. Square root of minus 272 can now be written as square root of 17 multiplied by 16 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I, then square root of 17 divided by 2. S is equal to 8 divided by 2 plus or minus 4I divided by 2 square root of 17. 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus 2I square root of 17. Therefore, S1 is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 17. S2 is equal to 4 minus 2I square root of 17. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, y is equal to 8 minus x. Y1 is equal to 8 minus s1 is 4 plus 2I square root of 17, and y2 is equal to 8 minus s2, that is 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Then here y1 is equal to 8. If you open the bracket with negative, here is minus 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Y1 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Here is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 2I square root of 17. Y2 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is 4 plus 2I square root of 17. Therefore, our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 4 plus 2I square root of 17, 4 minus 2I square root of 17. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 4 minus 2I square root of 17, 4 plus 2I square root of 17. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation is s plus y is equal to 8. Sy is equal to 84. Let us consider this. S plus y, this can be written as 4 plus 2I root 17 plus 4 minus 2I root 17 must be equal to 8. This cancel this. 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equal to 8, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy can be written as 4 plus 2I root 17 multiplied by 4 minus 2I root 17 must be equal to 84. 4 times 4, this is 16, minus 4 times 2I root 17, that is 8I root 17 plus 2I root 17 multiplied by 4, that is 8I root 17 minus 2I root 17 multiplied by 2I root 17. This will be 4 multiplied by I square multiplied by square root of 17 square must be equal to 84. This cancel this cancel this. 16 minus 4 multiplied by I square multiplied by 17 must be equal to 84. I square is equal to minus 1. Then we have 16 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 17 must be equal to 84. Yes, minus 4 times minus 1 times 17. That is 4 times 7. That is 28. 8. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2. That is 6. Here will be positive 16. Then must be equal to 84. 16 plus 68. That is 84. Is equal to 84, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.